If you want to get iPhone ringtone on Realme GT 8 Pro, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store and we can search for an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So we can just simply type iPhone ringtone in here. There we go. And we can find many different apps that can technically allow you to get iPhone ringtone. Now, in my case, I'm gonna choose this one over here. I'm gonna install this one. I'm gonna show you how to use that specific app to get the iPhone ringtone. However, if you don't like this app or if it doesn't work for you, feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. So now we're gonna go ahead and open the app in order to set it up. Of course, you will see some ads in the meantime. This is quite normal, but the app is free. So let's skip the ad. We need to grant some permissions for the app so that it can actually change the ringtone for us. And over here we can now see all of these different ringtones. We can actually increase the volume a little bit so that we can hear it. But as you tap on them, then you can hear all these ringtones. So if you find the iPhone ringtone that you wish to set, just tap on these three dots on the right side, tap on the ringtone in here. Once again, we have an ad, so let's wait for that. And let's skip it. There we go. And then you should see that it has been set successfully. Now, just to see if that's truly the case, we're gonna open the settings. Then let's open sound and vibration. We can, for example, adjust the ringtone volume in order to see if that's really the case. And yes, in my case, it is. We can also check the ringtone in here, of course, and it should be set to the custom sound. In my case, it's called Apple Ring, so I know for a fact that this is actually the one that the app just set up for me. So yes, in this case, it works just fine. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.